How to make love. Making love involves a deep emotional and physical connection with another person. It is an intimate and affectionate way of expressing love and caring for another person through physical intimacy. Here are a few tips for making love. Communication is key. Talk with your partner about your needs and boundaries, and listen to theirs as well. Set the mood. Create a comfortable and romantic environment, with dim lighting and soft music. Take your time. Don't rush the experience. Enjoy the journey and all the small moments that come with it. Be present. Pay attention to your partner's body language and verbal cues, and respond accordingly. Practice safe sex. Use protection to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections and unintended pregnancies. Show love and affection in other ways. Making love is just one way to express your feelings for your partner. Don't forget to show love and affection through other gestures, such as holding hands, hugging, and saying "I love you." Remember that every person and relationship is different, so what works for one couple may not work for another. It is important to communicate openly and honestly with your partner about what makes you feel loved and appreciated. Thank you for watching. See you next time.